The rocking chair. This is super important because in the nursery room is where will be a quiet place, a peaceful place and cozy place, and you need to be comfy as well as the baby, because if you are not comfortable, the baby won't be comfortable either. So you need to be comfortable. The basic thing that you need is a comfortable rocking chair. This one, it's very old and it has happened a lot of accidents here. So as you can see, it's not in the best shape, but it's very comfy for us to rock the baby while we are feeding him still, sometimes during the night or sometimes during the nap time. This rocking chair that I got came with these footsteps, so you also can have your feet. So it's amazing. It's very comfortable.